Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate you all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome as well. It's good to have you. And as a quick reminder to all, my focus, my mission here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can, across all regions. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, when you choose to like the videos, when you choose to share the information with colleagues and associates. And so if you've not yet done so, please do that now. Please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and share the information with friends, associates, and colleagues. And then for additional ways where you can support the channel and additional ways you can learn more about me and how I can help take your business that next level, please check out those links below. And so with that said, let's get into our topic today, and it's how to create an irresistible offer. How to create an irresistible offer. I mean, what's the most common offer we see? The one I see, zero down, zero enrollment. Okay. That's the one I see most often, and you want to change this up, you want to mix it up. I want to talk about some strategies to make these offers irresistible. And so number one on my list is be clear. Be clear. And when I say be clear, keep this really simple. My suggestion is, make it one offer. Okay, I've seen some pieces that come in the mail or just other advertising that we do, and there's 3 or 4 options. You can do this, or you can do this, or you can do this, you can do this. Make it clear. Decide what it is you want to do, and that's what you want to push. Be very clear on what this offer is. Be very clear kind of across the board with it. Okay, and the easiest way to do that, the mindset there is, keep it simple. Number 2, offer great value. Offer great value. So what would offer, value to somebody? Sometimes, we'll do offers to what I call alumni, your former members. We might offer programs that are maybe alternate day usage or weekend only or non-prime time, because maybe one of the reasons they left was they really couldn't utilize it and pay the full amount during those regular times. So we come in there and try to offer a great value. Maybe it's a try before you buy. Maybe it's 3 classes for $19. Try it, then decide. Okay, and I'll talk more about that here in a bit. Maybe it's 5 workouts for $5. Maybe it's 20 workouts for $20 to be used in a month. But offer great value to your customer. What you don't want the customer to feel like, oh yeah, they just want to get me in there to sell them. Really give them some value. Really give them some value. Okay. Number 3, and I was kind of alluding to this already, but offer a discount or a premium. Offer a discount or a premium. And so, like I was mentioning, you could offer, some try before you buy specials. Try us out, then decide. 3 classes, $19. Okay, could be a good one. Okay, try us out, then decide. 10 visits for $10. 10 fitness and weight loss visits, for $10. Try us out, then decide. That can be a nice one. Now, when you do these offers, make sure they coincide with the kind of the depth of your sales team. Like if you did a 3 classes for $19 or a 10 visit for $10, you did something like that, good chance that's going to produce some traffic flow for you. Now, if you don't have a well-trained sales staff, you might find you're not able to convert them. So this stuff goes hand in hand, and I would even suggest, if you try some of those, which I think is probably a good idea, make sure you use this channel for some sales training, get your sales team, really ramped up so we can sign up, the lion's share of these folks that come in. Number 4, explain your offer. Explain your offer. Okay, whatever it is. If it's try it out, then decide. Okay, whatever you're doing, explain what this offer is. How does it work? Give them the details. Don't just say some restrictions apply. Okay, maybe they can join for a rate that no one's ever seen before for your facility, but it's an alternate day program. So let's just say you ordinarily charge $39 a month, and so you're going to charge $21 a month for an alternate day. Well, tell them what it is. Tell them it's an alternate day program. You can choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Don't just do the some restrictions applying and spring it on them, when they come in. Okay, what's the catch here? Well, there is no catch. It's exactly like the ad states. You really want to spell this out. Okay, be very transparent with this. Okay. Number 5, you want to require an immediate response. Require an immediate response. You've got to call now. And maybe it's a 3-day only special. Okay, maybe it's an email blast that goes out on a Friday, 3 days only, Saturday, final 2 days, final day. You're requiring an immediate response to this. Okay, and that's kind of the closeout mentality. I mean, one of the things you always want to do, and I'll talk about it here in a second, but you always want to have that urgency to this, because if you don't have urgency to it, I mean, I can do it now, tomorrow, the next day, next week, next year. It's not necessarily going to matter. So require an immediate response, and it's a 3-day only offer. Maybe it's a 2-day only offer. Maybe it's a flash sale. Remember the deals of the day. Deals of the day. We still have a lot of success with those in gyms. That go out via email. You have big email databases, and hey, here's our deal of the day. Here's what it is. Okay, and maybe it's designed to sell a smoothie and get people in the front door. Maybe it's for PT. Maybe it's for membership. Could be for anything. But have a deal of the day. Think about that. But require immediate response. Number 6. Include a strong call to action. Include a strong call to action. You want them to act now. Try us out, then decide. 3 classes, $19. Okay, an offer this good won't last long. Call now. Okay, in order to keep the club from becoming overcrowded, we are limiting participation. Call now. Okay, so include some kind of a strong call to action, a reason to act, a reason to move on this. And then number 7, provide a bulletproof guarantee. Provide a bulletproof guarantee. I mean, maybe you put a special out there. Try us out, then decide. 3 classes, $19. 3 visits, $19. Whatever it is, right? Guaranteed. If we're not everything we say we are, we'll refund your money. What's your risk on that? It's $19. Okay, if someone did not be happy, right? It's $19. It's well worth it. You make this irresistible. Okay, it's guaranteed. You got a strong call to action. You require immediate response. It's simple and easy to understand. You got great value. Okay, you're going to start getting results. Now, so create an irresistible offer. Now, if you're not doing that, you can check other videos here on the channel for some of this. Make sure we understand our telephone inquiry script and how to handle telephone inquiries. Make sure we understand emails and how to follow up. Make sure in our CM we are properly following up on this. And just know when a lead comes in, if you respond within 5 minutes, you're 9 times more likely to bring them on as a client. So take a look at this, how to create an irresistible offer. We want the door to swing, the phone to ring, the email to ding, and the text to ping. Folks, my name is Jim Thomas. I appreciate y'all being here at the channel today. And then as a quick reminder, if you've not yet done so, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Please share the information with family and friends. And for additional ways to support the channel and to learn more about me and how I can help take your business to that next level, please check out those links below. And we'll look forward to seeing y'all in that next video.